Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're aiming to boost your daily walking routine, choosing the right treadmill can make all the difference. In this video, we're exploring the best treadmills for walking in 2025, focusing on models that prioritize comfort, ease of use, and value for money. Whether you're a beginner or someone who walks for fitness, we've got you covered with our top picks. First up is the Nordic Track Commercial 1750. This beast is perfect for walkers who want versatility. It features a spacious 20-inch wide belt for a natural stride, adjustable incline up to 12%, and a powerful 3.5 chp motor that runs smoothly even at lower speeds. Plus, it comes with IFIT integration for interactive workouts. At around $2,000, it's a bit of an investment, but the cushioning deck reduces joint impact, making it ideal for long walks. Next, the Proform Carbon T10 is a great budget-friendly option at about $1,000. It has a 10-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and a 2.75 chp motor. What sets it apart for walkers is the ProShox cushioning, which minimizes stress on your knees and back. It's compact, folding up easily for small spaces, and offers speeds up to 10 miles per hour, though you'll mostly use the lower settings for walking. Don't overlook the Soul F63, priced around $1,200. This model boasts a cushioned deck that's gentle on your joints, a 2.75 chp motor, and 6 standard programs tailored for walking and light jogging. It's whisper quiet, so you won't disturb the house, and the folding design makes storage a breeze. Walkers will love the cushioned belt that feels like walking on clouds. Lastly, for those on a tight budget, the Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride T4400 comes in at under $500. It's simple, sturdy, and has a 2.2 HP peak motor with a wide running surface. The handrail controls make it easy to adjust speed on the go, and its shock absorption is surprisingly effective for walking sessions. It's not as feature-packed, but it's reliable for everyday use. When picking a treadmill for walking, consider factors like belt size for comfort, motor power for smooth operation, and cushioning to protect your joints. Also, think about your space and budget. Many of these fold for easy storage. There you have it, our top picks for 2025. Whether you're walking for health or fun, one of these could be your perfect match. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let us know in the comments which one you're eyeing. Thanks for watching, and keep moving.